Hey folks, John Peterson here, and today I want to show you a little bit more about my trip to Greenland in August of 2024. One of the special things about this trip was that we got to live aboard and travel through the fjords on a sailboat built, I think, in 1951. And what makes this experience so special is that we could travel silently through the fjords. When the wind wasn't up, they had an electric generator and we had electric propulsion to motor ourselves along. But when we could hoist the sails and sail through the fjords under the power of the wind, it made the trip extra special. The thing that was really cool too is that we as crew or passengers got to participate in raising and lowering the sails, putting them away, dressing lines on the deck, and it was just an amazing experience. It just added to the overall fantastic trip with this landscape, the wildlife, everything about this trip was magical. But let me just show you just a little bit about what it was like working with the sails and what the boats looked like with the sails up through Greenland.
We will finish with the throat and then we will finish with the peak, but we will see at this moment. But now we go parallel because the peak is lighter, so it might be possible that you are pulling faster than on the other side. So if you see that you are going higher than us, you have to wait for us a little bit, okay?
Hur var det med honom?
Wait a little bit for them. You can pull a little bit more. Yeah, no. Wait.
Take him.
Lean backwards.
You keep moving right in my shot. Thank you.
Yeah, lean backwards and then pull down and back. And then go down.
The moment is here. And then you come back here. You see?
So having this adventure on a sailboat and using that sailboat to travel silently through the fjords was what made this trip even extra special. The beauty of the sails when they were up, or the stark rigging when the sails were down, both of these looks were very picturesque, either using my still camera or using my drone. And the joy of being powered by the wind, going through this beautiful natural environment, was absolutely spectacular aboard a sailboat. And especially one that was, 70 years old, a little bit more than 70 years old. It just sort of added to the ambiance and the feeling and the vibrations that we got. The boat, being a wooden boat, was almost a living thing. And using these sails to power this wonderful, wonderful craft just made this experience all the more special. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe down below and stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you all have a wonderful day.